Hi guys, welcome back again to Onyx Food Hill. I'm glad to have you back in today's video. I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies, and I hope you watch this video to the end. Subscribe, like this video, and also share it with your friends. In this sugar cookie recipe, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl, and to it I'll be adding in a 1/4 cup of cornflour. After that, I'm just going to stir in everything together. I'm just going to set everything aside. In another bowl, I'm going to bring in 170 grams of salted butter. I'll also add in 150 grams of granulated sugar to the butter. And using a hand mixer, I'm going to cream the butter until it turns out fluffy and light in color. Okay guys, 10 minutes into beating your butter, you will notice it has become fluffy and you will know it's ready once the butter changes color to a creamy color, just like this. And next, I have 2 eggs here, so I'll gradually add the eggs. So I'll add one first and then beat this before I add the remaining. It's important to scrape down the side as you mix this. I also love to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'll beat until it's well incorporated. Next, I'll gradually add in my flour mixture. At this point, the dough has become hardened, so I'm just going to start using my hand to mix the dough because it has become a very thick dough at this point. Once I have a very beautiful dough like this that is well combined, I transfer it to a parchment paper, and then I use my hand to flatten it a little bit. And I'm going to place another parchment paper over it, and then use a rolling pin to roll it out. And once our sugar cookie dough is rolled out like this, I'm going to transfer it to the fridge to sit for 30 minutes until it becomes a little bit firm. Once I've rested my sugar cookie dough for 30 minutes in the fridge, it has become firm. It's now time to cut this into different shapes using a cookie cutter. So I'm going to use the rounded shape and the love shape. And then I'll place my sugar cookies on a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Once they are beautifully arranged on a baking sheet like this, I'm going to pop them into the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes or until they are almost brown. So guys, once your sugar cookies are out of the oven, they should look something like this and not totally brown. Now you're going to leave this to rest until they cool down completely. So guys, our cut out sugar cookies are ready. They are soft and crisp on the edges, and they are really delicious. Look at the edges, they are great for decorating with icing. These sugar cookies are best for Christmas and for holidays. You can even make them for your friend party or birthday. I hope you try out these sugar cookies this Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your time with me here. Remember to share this video, like this video, and also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I love to see you soon. Until next time, bye.